Okay, I'm going to show you exactly why you should be using kitchen scales instead of cups and teaspoons and all that crap for your measuring in the kitchen, all right? This is exactly why right here. I'm going to scoop this flour just how I assume most of us scoop flour. You know, you get it in there, you get it nice and level, you put it in there, and about 150 grams comes out, right? Now that's cool if all you need is 1 cup. But most recipes call for what, 3-4 cups of flour at a time. So second one, 161 grams. All right, 11 grams difference. So third one, same style. We're gonna put it in there. What's it say? 164. You know, that's a big difference when it adds up. So we're gonna try this a little bit differently here. We're gonna fluff this in there like this. You know, you got a little scoop in your flour, whatever. A little bit of a different system here. And we're going to level that off and we're going to put it right back on the scale and see what we got here. 131 grams. That is a huge difference. I'm telling you guys, you need to take all of these cups and all of these spoons and just throw them away. Maybe not throw them away, but don't use them. Switch to some scales. Your recipes will come out consistent and much better. Trust me.